What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets, they have multiple accounts, but we're using one, because I know you guys want to check it out and see if it works first before doubling down on it, so on and so forth. So that's why I'm showing you the results of just starting, the benefits of the money you can make with just the beginning or starting with it. Now you may get more money than me, less money than me. I'm just showing you what I'm working with. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, you interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get started. First off, I want to speak on the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, because its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That's insane. That's the highest I ever heard, period. Highest I ever heard, period. Alright guys, that's the highest I ever heard, period. So we're gonna promote it and we're gonna show you guys my results so far. Alright guys, follow along. Here we go. We're gonna hit refresh. Now we hit refresh to show you guys that these are real results. Don't believe the results if you don't hit refresh. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. So you get 80% recurring. That means that you get, when somebody spends $25, like one of you guys click on the link in the description below and spend, about a $25 business, I'll get $20 of that, and so forth with you when you promote it as well. So we're gonna show you the page you're gonna get to here. So when you click on that link, you're gonna come to this page here. And when you come to this page, you click on yes, I want in. Yes, I want in. You can read over it, watch the videos and stuff. Make sure you fully understand what you're purchasing here, because this is a recurring product. So you're gonna have to pay the $25 every month. That's how it works. So when somebody pays once somebody pays $25 every month, you get 20 of it, but you also have to pay $25 a month. See what I'm saying? It works in a circle. So anyway, guys, that's how that works, and so that's how we promote it. We're gonna click on this. You want to sign in. You want to sign in, pay the $25. If you want premium and get the $100 per month, you can get that as well. And what you want to do here, and a cool thing about getting the premium as well, guys, I'll show you in a minute. Hold on, let me move on. I'm losing track here, but this is what you want to sign up to. And once you sign in, you're gonna get to this page here. Well, not this page. You're gonna get to this, something like this. Looks like this. You want to click on affiliate zone. Once you click on affiliate zone, oh, I gotta log in. Hold up, give me a second. Once you click on affiliate zone, you're gonna get to this page here. You're gonna teach you about how to log in or whatever you want to rest the video. But all you really need to do, sign up for the affiliate program. Then once you sign up, log into Samcart. Alright guys, and once you get into Samcart, it's going to take you to this page here where all your links are at. And the link you want to use is this one, the all-in-one $25 business. That's what takes you to this page here. And that's the page you want to promote. That's the one I've been promoting. It promotes the $20 per month and the $100 per month. So that's the one I've been promoting. Alright guys, so you fully understand what's going on here. Alright, so once you do that, right, you go to My Lead Gen Secrets, you log into this. Now, you make your own account, whatever you want to do, right? You log into your account here. Now, what I particularly do, once I get in here, I log in, I click all my links, my leads. You get 100 extra leads every single day, as you can see. And so mail them every single day. Don't forget any day. All right, don't forget any day. So we're just gonna click on the email here. You want to load in the email as well. If you want to know how to get emails very easily, if you get the premium, not pay, if you get the premium for free, you'll get the premium for free. if you go ahead and get it. You'll once you get the premium, guys, it'll take you to premium here and teach you how to promote traffic and so on and so forth. And they add a ton of ways to do it, like Facebook and all that. So, and free, and show you how to get free traffic as well. Blogging, whichever way you want to do it, right? You want to click on Merging Magic Content Machine. You can tell it to write an email promoting the $25 mix. So you just type in a clickbait email promoting the $25 business and exaggerate how much money you make, something like that. What I noticed about my lead gen secrets here, guys, short, quick, very clickbaity emails works the best. So that's what you want to put in the system here. Write a clickbait email promoting a $25 business and exaggerate how much money you can make. Right? I should have told them to make it short too. I'll put that in if it's real long. So you want it to be short. That's pretty short. That's pretty short. And there you go. That's an email just that quick. You see how easy that is? So you come in here on Content Machine, you could just pretty much make it do whatever you want it to do. It'll do it for you. And you even make it all the day, you can blah blah, just $25, you make it strategy, incredible results, being making more money than you ever imagined was possible. Time to take the plunge yourself, take advantage of the incredible offers, start making fortune today. So on and so forth. And that's a really good email. You could just put it in here, slap it in, slap it in, and yeah, make sure you use the link that I showed you before, the $25 business, like I stated before. And boom, you're done. That's all it is. And you're done. This is an email I wrote myself. Don't worry about it. It's real long. It got pictures and stuff. You could do that as well if you want to, but you really don't need to. I was just, it was more of a test email, and it turned out pretty, it did pretty well, so I'm keeping it. But you got, this ain't even, like, I'm not even a person that, I'm not even signing my name to this one. Like, I just completely took an email they wrote me and decided, hey, I'm gonna use their email and post it in the system. So yeah, and you just preview it, make sure your link works. I'm pretty sure my link works. Let me make sure my link works, guys. My link indeed works. Yep, loading up. Okay, so we good to go. We send the email, we done. That's all it takes, guys. We're done. That's all. All the links in the description below. You're interested in following along, very quick and easy to do. It only take you like a minute to do every day. You do it every day, you make some money online. All right, guys, if you've been stuck. Now make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.